Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and tonight we are here to eat at Epic Universe. We are going to dine at the Atlantic, and I'm going to bring you along with me for a full review. So come with me, I got you. Let's go eat this. The vibe is cool. I mean, I'm just gonna say it gives off 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea vibes, even though I know it's not. It is absolutely cool in here. It's gorgeous. It's like very immersive. You got the fish swimming. It's like you're under the water here. You look out, there's water outside, the fountains. You probably see some of the fountain show at nighttime. You got Grand Helios back over there. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, and I like it. It gives me sci-fi vibes, and I absolutely love that. I don't even know if it's supposed to necessarily, but 100% sci-fi vibes, so I'm here for it. Thank you. Thank you. Multiple levels, and we got a seat right by the water. The show's gonna kick off because we're here at about 9:15. Reservations at 9:30. It's gonna be cool. especially from in here. Caesar salad. Risha skipped the salad and went with the appetizer. She got the baked oysters. That's all her. This salad looks so good. It's not the end of the show there. It's a Parmesan peppercorn dressing. Parmesan. That's a really good salad. I love Caesar salad anyway. This one's really good. Shrimp pasta, bucatini pasta, and Risha got the sea bass, and it looks fantastic. We're just gonna try a little bit of this here. Might as well get one full shrimp in there, right? I'm gonna try the shrimp by itself, and it is good. No fishy taste. So good. That's super good. That is really, really good. I'm gonna try the tiniest bite of her sea bass. Melt in your mouth. Zero fish taste. So if you're averse to fish, you're in good hands. This looks fantastic. Everything has been great. I'm gonna eat. I'll see you later. That was a very good dinner. I'm very tired. They got this relaxing music in here. They got you down here by the water. It's all this mood lighting. You're under the sea vibes. It's just like time to sail on back to the room and go to sleep. This is when you're very thankful that you're staying right here and you can just walk. Now we do have to walk all the way to the back side of the park from here, but it'll be worth it. I'll see you outside. All right, so outside, gotta walk some of that off back to the hotel room, and definitely a recommend, especially if you can get here later. I know it's kind of late to eat, but you get that show with dinner, and that's super cool. Food was great. It's a little on the pricey side, so it's not one I would hit all the time, but definitely worth hitting at least one time. And whew, I'm so full. I can barely walk and talk, and someone's gonna run into me trying to watch me walk and talk. But high recommend, thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you did too. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Until next time, this is Chase with American Adventure saying have a great AVA day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.